Okay, so after installing my Poison Light front bumper, I had nowhere to put a bracket. So for license plate, so what I did is I kind of put it onto my grill. I mean, it looks alright, but I don't know, it just bothers me. Until I get a winch, you know, that's the only place I can put it. And I came up with a different idea, and I thought, you know what I'll do? I will kind of make my own little bracket, just for, you know, temporary fix, until I can actually get a winch and afford that and all that kind of stuff. So this is just really quickly. Went to Lowe's, bought some L brackets, primed them, painted them, used some all-round, kind of cut it, and then I'm going to see if I can make this work. Bear with me. Alright, so here's my plate on the brackets that I made. I use plastic. You don't have to, of course you don't have to. I just use plastic just because it looks a little bit nicer on the front because it's black. I use small bolts, some lock nuts on there. It's pretty sturdy. I mean, it moves around a little bit, as you can see, but that shouldn't be really going anywhere once I bolt her down to where the actual winch goes. So let's walk her over here. I'm going to use the first bolts, the first bolts that you see for the winch. I'll bolt those down in there, and then we'll see what it looks like when I'm done. Cool. Okay. I don't know if you can see that too bad, because the lighting's not the best out here. It's kind of overcast. But all in all, you know, not too bad. I think it looks alright for the time being on my Poison Spyder light. Poison Spyder Brawler light front bumper with skid plate. So for now, hopefully that'll be okay. So having on the front grille, which, I don't know, it worked, but it just didn't look that great, I thought. So that should be a little bit better. I'm telling you, I bought the brackets at Lowe's for like $2 and change. I already have my own nuts and bolts. As you can see, make that a little bit easier where you can see how I did that with the all-round. And just to show you, it's on there pretty sturdy, if I do say so myself. It ain't going anywhere. So all those guys who have Brawler lights out there and don't know what to do with license plate holders like myself, $2, probably 50 cents, Lowe's L brackets, prime them, paint them, throw your license plate on for now. On the front bolts for your winch plate, or sorry, your winch mounting spot, and that's it. Done. Thanks for watching.